Hi guys, welcome to ARIVU channel. Now let's discuss the structure of Java program. First we have to download and install Eclipse IDE to write the Java program. So for that you go to the browser, type Eclipse here, go to the official site, download the Eclipse IDE. After downloading you just install it properly. I have installed already. So after the installation you will get this Eclipse IDE. So we will use this Eclipse IDE to develop our Java program. This is the first Java program. So now I just want to print a hello world in my screen like this. So what I will do first? First I have to create one project. Okay, go to the file menu and click on the new menu and then click on the Java project. This is the name of the project. Okay, so now I create intro 1 and keep as it is all the other things and click on the next button and click on the finish button. Now there is no need to create any modules, so click on the don't create. Intro 1, this I have created now. Okay, and click on this project, new and class. So now we have to give the name of the class. Okay, hello. This is the name of the class. And I click on this box, public static void main. Okay, and click on this finish button. Now inside this project I have created the hello.java class. Okay, here I explain the each and every line of this program. Let me execute this program. Go to this run as menu and Java application, click on it. Now intro 1 is the name of the project. Inside the intro 1 project src, inside the src folder I have the class name hello. Java is the extension. Okay, click on OK button. Now I got the output hello world. Okay, so here public class hello, this is the first statement. Here this statement creates the class called hello. Okay, the class hello which contains the main method should be same as the name of the file. Okay, if I give some different name, means what happens, I will get the compile time error. Okay, so the name of the class that contains the main method should be same the name of the file, otherwise we will get the error. Public means that it is accessible from any other class. Okay, and here curly braces. So these curly braces are used to group the commands or statements. Okay, here also we have the curly brace. Okay, so these curly braces are used to group the statements. And the third statement, public static void main, and inside the round brackets string arguments, args, again public keyword. It means that this main method is accessible from outside of its class. Okay, that's why we have to give the public keyword here. And static, why we need this static keyword here? We can call this main method before creating any class objects. That's why we have to use the static keyword here. And void indicates that main method does not return any value. Okay, and inside the round brackets we have the string arguments. This is the name of the variable, and string with array. Okay, you all know string is nothing but the group of characters. Okay, so array of string, each element of the array is string. Okay, if we execute this file through the console, we can pass the input parameter and main method takes it as inputs. Next one, system.out.println, inside the round brackets we have the string. Okay, so This statement is used to print the hello world to the screen. Okay, so here system is the predefined class and out is the object of the print writer class, which is defined inside the system class, and println method is used to print this statement on screen, on the output screen. Okay, every statement should end with the semicolon. Okay, I hope you all understand. Okay, this is the simple Java program. Right click on this page and run as Java application. So this is the output of this program. Hello world is printed here. Okay, if you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.